If you want to strike it rich on the stock market, you have two options. You can follow the mainstream news to find investment opportunities, hoping against all odds that by the time you get in, the fat cats have left a few scraps for you. Or you can go ahead and click here right now, and I will immediately send you my exclusive analysis on the top 10 stocks to watch for 2021 absolutely free. Even better, when you do so today, I will send you my weekly watch list. Every single Sunday, I will send you details on 5 stocks that are on the verge of a big move. Listen, I screen millions of option trades each day for the best short-term money-making opportunities, but only a few are worth trading. Now, I want to tell you why my weekly watch list matters so much and why it is different from any other watch list. It matters because you're going to get actionable trade ideas every single week. The exact same trades that I use to build my own portfolio with my weekly watch list, you'll know exactly what to trade, when, and how. And there's no catch, no commitment, there's zero hoops to jump through, none of that. I'm not even going to ask for your credit card or a monthly fee. It's 100% free, always and forever. All you have to do is click here right now to get started today. Hi, I'm Lance Sapolito, and as a former hedge fund insider who worked inside one of the largest investment banks in the world, I continuously identify dozens of explosive stocks that all have the potential to deliver huge profits to you. Here's an example of some recent successes, like the 131% gains I identified in Virgin Galactic Holdings on January 19th, or the 200% gains from Dropbox identified on January 20th. If you had followed through on these trade ideas, you could have cashed out on both just 7 days after on January 25th and January 27th. Normally, you'd have to pay upwards of $3,000 to get your hands on this kind of information. However, right now, from this video only, you'll get access to 5 of these watch list stocks every single week. And you'll immediately get my special report for 10 stocks to watch for 2021. Just click here to claim your spot today. It's completely free of charge. Remember, I've previously identified stocks that have exploded for triple, even quadruple digit gains. And now you have the chance to take advantage of all my trading experience at zero cost to you. In the past, other traders have had a chance to make enough profit to get rid of debt, pay off a chunk of their mortgage, or even buy themselves a fancy new toy. There's really nothing stopping you from taking advantage of this amazing opportunity today. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So click here right now to immediately get my top 10 stocks to watch for 2021 and start receiving my weekly watch list with 5 stocks on the verge of a big move for free.